I came into this race with no expectation, and yeah, to win it is pretty special. After such a long time off the bike and working my ass off, so it feels pretty damn good. When I was in the service, I was like, I am riding good again, and I'm feeling good again, and it's been a crazy journey this week and a crazy time, so pretty damn stoked. Definitely excited. It's such a big race, so I think it's going to be pretty epic and a good race, like to have Würzburg back in the calendar is damn cool, and I'm really looking forward for it now. I'm pretty stoked with my riding and with my fitness now, so was a good test for the big one.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy for all the Bulgarians, and also I'm happy for myself because I've been working for that a lot, so I'm happy to see progress. I was riding really clean. For sure I had some tough moments, but I think everybody had them, and just trying to eliminate them to the minimum, and that's it. Yeah, it's really rocky race, so it's gonna be a hard one. But I'm excited for every race, so I will try to do my best there and bring the flag as to the top as possible.
Good, like a multi-day race. I just didn't know how my fitness would hold up, but to be honest, I was struggling today. I was tired. I think everybody was tired, but really happy just to get to the finish of the race, be fit and healthy. Knees still getting better every week, so really good. It's early days, but to be leading the championship, 47 years old, it's crazy. Missed it for a few years, so it'd be good just to get back, and it's the one everybody wants, so good build up to that. Just try and be on peak form, really work on my fitness, and anything can happen, but got to go for it.